Okay, this is one thing that you need to keep in mind. When you fill the burette with the sodium hydroxide, if there is any air, it will count as a volume. So in order to avoid that, you do the following. You quickly open the burette like this and let the sodium hydroxide going out and making sure there is no air. I still see some air. And this is just for them, okay? You don't have to be on 0 for starting the titration. You can start, let's say, I'm going to set my on 14. I mean, you can start on 0 if you want to. Oops, yeah, 14. Already we have hydrochloric acid and phenolphthalein here, right? We need a white paper. They say on the procedure to use a white tile, but we can use a white paper like this and start doing the titration. You can accommodate. I always use my left hand for opening the burette and start dropping some solution and doing this until you see a change in color. Don't try to do that too fast because eventually the reaction can happen and you will not see the pink color that I'm expecting to get as part of the titration. Okay, let me open a little bit more. At the beginning can be faster, but as soon as you see that I don't know if you can see, I noticed some pink color happening. When you start seeing any pink color, you slow the I think I need to refill the burette because I start on 14 and you have 25 ml of Is that pink enough? Yeah. But the point is I cannot go beyond the measuring here because they say 50 milliliter here. Let me add a few more drops and see if I can get the pink color. Now I have to go slow, right? How about now? Is that pink enough or no? Okay, I need to stop now because I'm getting close to 50. So this is...
Is it because there's only like 3 drops of this?
Yeah. No, doesn't matter. It will change, but I think if you see that color, you already go on excess of sodium hydroxide, okay? My point is, I will do the first one. We start on 14. 14 minus 50, how much is that?
36.
36. So I use 36. My calculation, I'm going to use, can I borrow the, yeah. Here is my calculation. Can you get closer, son? I have concentration of sodium hydroxide times volume of sodium hydroxide equal concentration of hydrochloric acid, volume of hydrochloric acid. This is the one that we need to solve for. The volume of sodium hydroxide you say was 36, right? 36 ml. The concentration of acid is given because I gave you that 0.1 molar, and the volume of hydrochloric acid you had was 25, right?
Yeah.
25 ml. So the first concentration that I calculate will be 0.1 times 25 over 36. Can anyone do the calculation for that? Will be 2.5 over 36. And the answer is what? Can anyone do that for me quickly? 2.5 over 36.
0.069444.
0.0
69444.
6944, right?
Yeah.
That will be the concentration of the unknown sodium hydroxide, the unknown solution. Okay, this is just a test. You can stop the video now.